Hi, this is Divine Collections today, coming at you with a video. And today I just wanted to do a quick video on how to do a blind hem on a Singer sewing machine. Okay, so how to do a blind hem on actually on any kind of sewing machine, but this is a particular Singer type. And if you want to know what a blind hem stitch looks like, this is it right here, highlighted, and I put the stitch length size to 5.0 to be just a little bit larger. And so this is it. It goes kind of like a zigzag, zigs back in, sews a little bit straight, zigs back in, and that zigging in, zigzagging in is what creates the blind hem. And that blind hem holds the part of the pants or the cloth that you want held down without, without showing too much of the stitch. So that's how you do that. Okay, so I'm just demonstrating how to hem a pair of pants, men's pants, or pants period, okay, dress pants. Okay, so what you do is turn the pants wrong side out, okay, and of course you should have already measured the pants to make sure that it's the exact way that you want it, okay? Then have it pinned just the way I have it pinned, and then see how I have it pinned, then bend it this way, okay? Bend it like this, okay? So it was like this, and then just bend it this way, okay? Now I'm gonna have it facing the I'm gonna have it right down on the sewing machine, okay? I'm gonna try to demonstrate this quick, okay? Make sure that it's not snagged, the bottom part is not snagged to it, so that it doesn't and then just start sewing down the line, okay? And as I'm sewing, you see that it's catching on. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just finishing up the stitch. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm just finishing up the stitch. Actually, I went around twice, and I reduced the stitch length. I mean the size of the stitch. Yeah, so you can see my machine. I reduced this. So it's I think it's like 4. At first it was 5 to 4 and 2.5, just so that it'll be closer together, okay? And again, this is a blind stitch, the one that's highlighted right here. Okay, now, right there. All right, so I'm just finishing up my stitch. I went around twice just to make it nice and secure. Okay. Now I'm done. Okay, so she's the one helping me hold the camera. She likes the attention, so which is fine. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn, and you know that it was wrong side out, sorry. So now I'm gonna turn it right side out. So it's gonna be turned the right way. In order to sew it, you have to turn it wrong side out. So you can see that I'm done with it. And come check it out. 0 in. Where is 0 in? So y'all can see. Where is it? You can see that you can barely not see anything. It looks like the pants are just, you can see that it was lengthened. You see? See that it was about ½ an inch all around. So I just wanted to, yeah. So I'm still gonna iron it down. Try to iron this down, and everything. But I mean the crease is there, but as long as it's lengthened, I think that's fine. So I have both legs done. And so I just wanted to, okay, so this is, I did a good job, so that's good. So I just wanted to demonstrate how to hem a pants leg for a male or female pants. It doesn't matter, you know. It's just the same technique, and on a regular footer, a regular foot on the machine. So I think any kind of sewing machine will be fine, and also with clear thread. So this is the thread that I use. The thread that I use, just like the regular Coast transparent Colton and Craft thread, and the brand is Coast. And this is a clear thread. I got it at Walmart. Anybody can get the same thing. Anybody can get the same thing at Walmart, and I just got it from the sewing department. So this is my collections coming at you with a video today, a sewing video, and just I wanted to show how to hem the bottom and lengthen or hem the bottom of pants, dress pants, and you know, unisex male or female. So I'm going to show that. You can leave your comments in the bottom, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Subscribe, like, share with friends and with family. And this is Nessa also saying thank you.
Bye.
Bye.